Perfect. All right. Vera and Tony in New York said, do you think there will be more multi-unit apartment opportunities in the next 6 months? How would you structure a 120 unit deal with one or two other investors? Do you think having a real estate attorney is important for an apartment building acquisition?
So how do you structure it? There are many, many ways to structure it. I think there will be plenty of deals coming in regarding apartment buildings. As I mentioned, it just started. What's happening is there are still people raising money for this, but still over promising. They don't have a concept of what's going on because people who started in the business from 2012 to now have not seen what the market can do. That's why I consider these people are going to be massacred, bloodbath. I've been in the market 40 some years. I've seen it go down, I've seen it go up, and we survived these, like in the fund alone, my fund since 2009, when we started it. If you remember 2009, it went down 10, 11, 12 stabilized, 13 went up, and then COVID. How come we've gone through all this? Because I've seen it before go down and all this, and we're set up to be diversified by assets, by location, etc. If you're going to put a lot of money and a bunch of investors, 2 or 3 investors, or you said 1 or 2 investors into 120 units, you better put enough down payment, have enough capital reserve, have a very clear plan what you're going to do, and have a good debt coverage ratio. The bank could make a mistake and give you more than you can afford in terms of loans. You have to be the judge of this, and you have to know. Also, I would suggest for sure you have a real estate attorney. They are the least expensive in a real estate deal, but they're the most important. I like attorneys. That's why I ended up having in-house attorneys, and we still use third-party attorneys. So we have like a counsel, my in-house and the outside if there is an issue. And in closing, I would suggest for you, set it up correctly, because if you're going to do 2 or 3 investors in an apartment building, and you're going to do it as a partnership, not a fund where they give you the money and you make the decisions and they get paid so much cash flow, so much of the upside. If you're going to do it as partnerships, it's going to be a huge problem. I don't care how much you get along. There are a lot of moving parts in apartment buildings. It's not a triple net building. Furnished facilities are easier, but an apartment building could be very profitable, easier to get loans, but a lot of decisions. And if you're going to have to consult with your 2 other investors, and you're now in an LLC as partners, the 3 of you are general partners, it's going to be quite a few challenges. I don't want this color. I think we should evict this guy. No, I don't want to fix this unit. No, we shouldn't pay that commission. And you're going to just get exasperated. That's why real estate funds and real estate syndications are the answer for group investing. And you have the blessing from the SEC, and everything is clean and clear, and it protects you, and it gives you the marketing opportunity also to present correctly. And then you can grow, because the growth is not in the strategy, it's in the structure. The structure. You can ask people, you want me to go in with you? They don't even know what to offer you. You go back and forth, it's going nowhere. But if you have the structure, you can tell people, I would like you to come with me, and this is how.